Mickey and Minnie wake up early, excited for a fun seaside adventure. They brush their teeth together, laughing and feeling fresh. Mickey puts on his red shorts, and Minnie wears her cute polka dot dress. They pack snacks, water bottles, and fishing tools into their bags. Minnie checks the list to make sure nothing is forgotten.
Mickey locks the door as they wave goodbye to their cozy home. They jump into their colorful car, ready for the journey.
The car starts, and their seaside trip begins. They sing songs and enjoy the beautiful road views. Oh, the open road is fun for Mickey parks the car near the beach safely. Suddenly, they see the sparkling blue sea ahead. They walk toward the beach, feeling the cool breeze. Minnie claps her hands with joy as she sees the wide beach. Mickey and Minnie see a small boat waiting near the shore.
They carefully step into the boat together. Mickey starts rowing as the boat moves slowly forward. Mickey and Minnie wait quietly and watch the water. Suddenly, a big fish jumps out of the water. They return to the beach with their fresh fish.
Mickey sets up a small grill near the beach. Mickey and Minnie enjoy the delicious meal together.
They walk back, happy and tired.